Welcome to the SSR4 Mk2 Academy. Before we get started with the actual gun and unpack it, couple of words about what you can expect in this video guide. For most of the videos, we will be using the Mk2 specifically. If there is a video that doesn't require us to have specifically this model of the replica, we will use one of the videos we made previously to save a little bit of time. But don't worry, there is nothing specific to this model. An example of such video would be the safety, for example. It's for every single replica pretty much the same. Even though you might be an experienced player, there will be things that are specific to this platform that are maybe completely different to other platforms. So I would highly encourage you to watch it because, like the specifically BB retention function on this replica, there is a couple of things you need to know about it. So definitely click through the videos at least. You will find information that is helpful. And now, without any further ado, let's jump into the box. Or actually, we should not jump into the box, we should inspect the packaging, the main box that it came with and this one. If you see any damage that may have occurred in the transport, please stop, don't unpack. Take your phone, prop it somewhere, make videos and make pictures, because if there is something damaged on the inside, this proves that it was damaged on arrival, and we can go to the logistics company if they maybe mistreated the package, they handled it too rough, and that's our proof. So if there is any damage visible on the box, make videos, make pictures. We don't see any visual damage, so let's jump right into the box. When we open it, you will find a manual. I highly recommend looking through it, and since you are already here, you've probably done it, so good job. It's helpful to keep it because there is, for example, the programming tree for the ETU, which is always handy to have. If you forget it, it's also online. You can definitely download it. We also have the magazine. We have a couple of tools, Allen keys that we will use down the line in the video. We have a tool for adjusting the trigger. We have a tool to get into the buffer tube, so we will definitely need to keep that. And finally, if we take out the replica, we have it here. Don't shoot it yet, we will do that together. And cleaning rod and of course silica gel. That's it for the unboxing. Now what we will do, we will inspect the rifle only visually. If everything is all right, there you have it. Now let's move on to the next video. Everything seems fine, so let's jump right into the next one.